a black mist filter. I missed the star's alignment. Easy on fish. You got a lot happening. You got this and that all coming out, all very close to one another. We got doors open. Some are waiting, but I got some, and I find it funny that I get asked, and I'm not even sure if it's the right model or not, and I'm not sure what I should do. I know exactly what to do, but it's the way I'm asked, and I just don't get it. But you know me, I'll do it anyway. I'll figure out how to get it up, where to put it, and post it up. And I'll probably get an answer like, oh, that's not what I wanted, but thank you. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So as I ride along, the roads is a little bumpy. There I go. Catch up to the shadow, fish. There goes the other shadow. I don't know how that shadow got there. Maybe another one's gonna pass me by in a second or two. There he goes. I want to stop right by the light. And I was asked, oh, take a measurement of the unit. Isn't the measurements and the specifications, dimensions, are on the site? I am riding along. It took me a couple of seconds to set up. It's not like another mic where you just hit the mode and it switches over. I got 3 mics on. I got a DJI mic too. I should shut it off. And I got the Boya mic. Well, let me get a good grip going. And let me see if I can get it off, which it just did. Now, hopefully you still hear the sounds of the Boya. I wonder if I gotta adjust my dB levels again. But look, there's the other mic right there, on, in front of me. I got it onto the handlebars. If I wanted to do artificial noise canceling here or there, I simply hit the button and there we go. Noise canceling on, artificial. I'm on strongest, I believe, through the application. I don't have the lightning dongle with me to get to the app. I wish it were just automatically connected and have a different way of doing it and then bringing both dongles along. As I ride along the path, I don't know if I'm going to stay that long because you got it, the slow flyers are out. Beautiful shot indeed. Yes, indeed. Now I switched back off of the Boya back to the DJI mic, and I don't like to see the bar being so high up when I don't say anything and it just keeps on moving. And I put it away. Everything's away, as you can see right here. I got my light, again, doing a rapid red flash. I just don't get it. Grab it going. There he is. Can I catch up to him? He just ran off. Well, I'm back over here and figure I'd get some look, see what I can see, what I can share. I fixed the kickstand. It was spring loaded. I just had to give it a little tap to get down to the next level. So it's not tilted over that much. Ah, what a beautiful view. Yes, indeed. One day I was planning to take the SUPs and come on down. But that's a big trip by itself. A nice long paddle. If I would have went to my other spot the other day, the 77-year-old lady got caught in the riptide and swimming when they're not supposed to. Late in the evening, we would have seen the news all over the place. Well, it's time to hop on, go get on riding, do a couple of laps, get on going. What a beautiful pin. Ah, check that bird on takeoff. There he goes, skimming the water. So we get on out, and get on moving, and off we go. As we ride on in, yes indeed, we'll make a little turn, a little bend, and get on the track. We get to see the squirrel. We got lights. We got a nice round 1 mile track. I used the Boya Magic on my main camera. I had a good time using it. I had to fix it on to the top a special way because it faces to the back, the lighting. So I made my own bracket and I put it up there. Well, that's because we use the standard shoes that the hinges block it. And if it would have turned around and rotated around, it would have been a good thing. As I ride along, I noticed some of the street lamps, the park lamps, they're out. Sections are just every other one. It'd be really beautiful if all the lamps in the inner were lit up and the outer. It'd really make this place look amazing. Well, I got a lap in. I gotta go a couple of more. Pick the garbage, throw it on the side. Maybe they'll put it back in just to get a recyclable bottle or can to cash in and then leave the rest on the floor. I made it round 2. Not counting the rounds I really gotta go, but I gotta get to somewhere where I need to be at to pick up some stuff. But it's a beautiful shot indeed. Yes, indeed. 2.5. Comfortable with that. Yeah. Right. All right, finally, it's nice and quiet. And we started out over the other end. The sun is first starting to come up. Got to get past the trees. If I go back, we'll start to see the sun rise. So yeah, I got another half an hour or two. We'll get where we need to be at. Maybe another 2.5 around. And I really did like what? Under 10 miles today. To me, that's a lot for just a morning ride. This helmet has grown on me. What type of words would you like to see on here? I could probably put another 4 letters of the 5 I got there. I got 5, 6 squirrels, man. They're just going at it. All around the tree. Couple over here. See, there's the other garbage can. Go on in there. Squirrels and recycling. Didn't find anything. I'm still too early. I'm just getting on out, go back slow, and have a nice ride. All this area was cleaned up, taken care of, chopped all the junk down. Grew back, just like that. In my mirror, the sun is rising. You see it? It's almost hitting you. Here we go. Stop right here and get that shot. Now, this is with the black mist filter on. I had it on the side. I heard some people are using it and they get some excellent shots on it. They like the background. If it's a quarter or a half, I believe this is a quarter by K&F. Or is it K&N? I can't remember everything. You sure can, not me. And I wonder what type of bird that is in a squirrel feeder. Oh, it's a bird feeder and a squirrel. They didn't like me being here. Well, there's only like a minute's worth of time to get that shot before the sun gets up and everything else plays its toll. How about this bird feeder? It's all filled up. Squirrel's trying to get in it. This is a bike path I'm on, and it's like the rocky road path. You take those carriage bikes and you ride along here. Yes, indeed. It's a nice view, a nice ride. When the path is not broken up in these lines and these start to turn into bumps and all, and time to turn around. You get in trouble if you go further down the road on the path? Not at all. They're just telling you it's just time to turn around. Well, I did a nice slow ride. Now we get to where we need to be. Gonna get our bagels. As long as I get my bagels, I'm happy. I'm not sure what we were saying. A little difficult for me to understand. Maybe it's just me that don't understand things in life. Well, it's time for me to get on out of here, put you away, and go have a wonderful day. Have a nice hot bagel.